The 2018 Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built into a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, trip computer, fog lights, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power windows, overhead console, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tachometer, rear window wiper, front reading lamps. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.